Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily update Zedge app to its latest version. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you will get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, go to the Play Store. Once you do go to your Play Store, at the bottom right is the search one. Tap on it and tap on the search at the very top and search for Zedge right here, and where it is written open, if it needs an update, it will be written as update. Simply tap on that, and that is how you can update Zedge app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.